In this video, I want to explain how a non-inverting negative feedback operational amplifier circuit works. For this, we'll assume that the operational amplifier is ideal. We can recognize that this is a negative feedback circuit because the negative inverting input of the operational amplifier is connected back to the output. If instead the positive non-inverting input were connected to the output, we would be dealing with a positive feedback. The voltage between the amplifier from the positive to the negative input is called the differential voltage. And if we assume that the operational amplifier is ideal, the differential voltage is equals 0. Because the input resistance of the operational amplifier is infinitely high, there flows no current through the amplifier. Means that the differential voltage converges to 0. Let's calculate the feed-forward factor, which is the ratio of the differential voltage to the input voltage when the output voltage equals 0. Means we could just imagine that this path is a short circuit. Because in this case no current flows through this path, because no current flows through here, we can basically just assume that the input voltage equals the differential voltage. Means the ratio of those both is basically just 1. The feedback factor is the ratio of the differential voltage to the output voltage when the input voltage equals 0. So in this case, basically we just have here a short circuit. And now that we have output voltage, current can flow through here to ground. So to determine the differential voltage, we basically just go this loop over our run. So what we get is that the differential voltage is minus the voltage over the resistor 1. For the output voltage, we can go this path over the resistor 1 and the resistor 2. But as we know that the current that flows through the resistor 2 is the same as the current that flows over the resistor 1, because no current can flow in the operational amplifier, we can cancel out the current and get this ratio. The voltage gain of the overall circuit is minus the feed-forward factor divided by the feedback factor, which in this case the resistor 1 plus the resistor 2 divided by the resistor 1. We can also write this as 1 plus resistor 2 divided by resistor 1. So the output voltage of the non-inverting negative feedback operational amplifier circuit is the voltage gain 1 plus resistor 2 divided by resistor 1 times the input voltage.